Reintroducing wolves to the Scottish Highlands could revolutionize the ecosystem, according to recent studies. The return of these predators is expected to expand native woodlands, potentially storing up to 1 million tons of carbon dioxide. Wolves help balance the ecosystem by controlling deer populations, allowing vegetation to thrive and spread. This not only boosts biodiversity but also enhances the forest's ability to sequester carbon, playing a crucial role in combating climate change. This initiative showcases the deep connection between wildlife conservation and the health of our environment.